if there's no water, even if there's no mood or atmosphere, so we can take our time. Here we go.
Mercury's the smallest and the closest of them all. Mark of greater skips and wrinkles, it's a rocky iron ball. World is tilted and eccentric, 88 days it repeats. And each and every day time continues to betray. The water in our atmosphere is too close to the sun rays. Even if it had, they just boom, boom, blast away. Sun and face is soccer, but it's definitely not good. It's really dirt, extremities, democracy, spikes. 7 times greater sun, glowed away, its sort of tail blows and solar wind flow, makes magnetic tornadoes. Smell look pretty, but the surface is deceiving. It's the toxic atmospheres that push you, makes it seething. Hotter than mercury from the greenhouse gases heating. Sulfuric acid lightning is gonna make you start retreating. River with known its morning and evening star. Compared to its backlight rotation, orbit shorter, so bizarre. Sharing size like Clipper Pass, it's known as its single twin. Volcano shake the surface, bringing lava from within. Earth is planet number 3, owns all humanity. Place of most of history, rivers, continents, and seas. Reach their fountains and their peaks. Social changes in the tectonic places, eventually powered by us internally. Our rotation coriolis makes the air and ocean flow. Got the most optimal spot in the habitable zone. Things like climate, it's got it just right. Feel like we go. Only satellite that controls the times inside the show. Orange Mars, not red, planet number 4. Will Elon and the newest of the 40 books explore. Where we study from volcanoes down to every canyon floor. Live the spots and valleys, mariners, highest keep the scores. Dust storms in air, making little breezes. Permafrost, fade good, polar water freezes. CO2 the clouds, but mosquitoes fly around. But where are all the Martians? No one to be found. Asteroids, little some metals, that's rock abundant in the system over millions of stock. Literally everywhere, they like the moving crowds from Jupiter's impression and go.
The sky is no longer the limit.
Fast, Jupiter, Madison, monstrous mass. Got the others twice surpassed in the outlast. No legs in shape, got the fastest rotation rate. It inflates its clouds and atmosphere, make gassy bands swirling straight. Crushing gravity, the modest locality. Intrusions out the country, poison messes with the belts of mentality. Brings hard and more tricky, like spawn cyclones and spirality. Magnetic fields the strongest in gaseous reality. Iostress rich in sulfur and volcanoes, lava lakes, and Europa's oceans under all the sky-moving scrapes. And there's Ganymede's magnetic field, a bubble, it's what's large. And Callisto bears and remnants of a million greater scars. Adresti and Amelia, Venus, Stevie, Missolita, Ursa, Company, Phoebe, Valitudo, and Lysathea, Amelia, and Ella, and Diana, Palaki, Ordosi, and Brixidiki, and Guy, Maya, Castia, and Uethu, and Luxina, Recalvini, and Nike, Philip, Rosity, and Pasadena, Salini, Hershey, Spotty, Thione, Rimic, Carmi, and Arena, Mika, Liguri, Kalia, Hikori, and Eurydom, Chiri, Taiji, Yuri, Archipalaki, Sinope, and Kaliru, Pacific, and Helikia, Tana, Asana, Kelly, and Mega, Clyde, and Arena, 40 others flowing freely. Saturn, second largest, imagine it's a must. White flashes and rings, water, ice, and rocks and dust. Particles as big as mountains, small sand. Story full of hits of God, something we don't understand. Less dense than water, but don't expect it to sail. Its speedy twirl like a boat, makes it flatten and prevails. Every 30 years, some great white spot circling on the block. They just see on bottom moons like it's never gonna stop. Opposites are crater, they can tell us it's growing volcanic. At this valley ring, it's oxygen, Chinese, cause modest painted titans. Thick and orange atmosphere, midday lakes at the poles. And I have it as society, which usually runs the whole. Hyperion and Phoebe are some massive cold potatoes. And the countless clumps of moonless, but we'll probably never name those. There's a Cheon and Bellini and Vendor, Pan and Davis and Methonia and Bellini, Albior, Small and Alice, Polybusis, Mendoveri, Thermogenus and Prometheus, and Hunger and Forgotten, Peter, Hector and Prometheus, the anti-group and Circle, Uncle Boba, and Telesno, and Rocket and Bergami, and Princex and Calypso, Point up, Raven, Billy, Vessel, Dread of all the Iron Boundary, and the Taurus, Ariadne, William, Target, Gamer, Kari, Lucky, Stop, Screamer, Grimmer, Good Luck, the Rocket, Big Sharnak, and Rockin', Polyokin, 211, keep on rockin'. Seventh Uranus, Uranus, either one. It's time with axis, makes some crazy things and orbiting the sun. This reverse rotate, nice giant pushes the native silence, dark and spindly rings, askew or pretty slight. But the turquoise hemispheres more uniform, but it's the gods of tricks, coldest record, check the average perspective. Here, complex magnetic spheres, lopsided and the squirrels, who have corks your tail. Further missions here are yet to be entailed. Uranus got some cracks and close and aerials, the brightest. Umbriel's the darkest with the crown fluorescent whitest. Titania, that's the largest overrun, filled with great pits, and Uranus is 24 moons on the list. This Stone, Rosalind, Belinda, Cupid, and Calabac, rusted up, Bianca, Julia, Margaret, and Portia, Puck, converted up, Cordelia, Ophelia, Mab, Zigarax, Edema, Stefano, with recent one without a name, Francisco, Dracula, Prospero. Each of these maturity from character and Shakespeare, and many more still found in Uranus' hill sphere. The eighth one after Uranus is windy, while Neptune, the furthest from the sun, is dark and really hard to get. Neptune not as blue as you remember, but it also isn't white. I'm below the met the skies and my red diamond down inside. Or you choose the only road that has a clear destination, where you pick a Neptune's with a supersonic circulation. Polar average then on your misinterpretation ends at 16 rooms and maybe more surrounding implication. Bright in skies, Albany, Anderson, the biggest spine of galaxy, and Miriam, Nayadley, Albany, Astrodal, 21, Proteus, Larissa, and it's 2002 and 5, see always like the last of.
Shout out to my Pluto fans. Yeah, Pluto. You may not agree with me, we share views so differently.
Mega Pluto, but it's controversial since the IAU's rejection from the planetary circle. They said it didn't match up to their guidelines with this 2006 relegation to the sidelines. Funky little snowball, nitrogen and dolins, with shifting atmospheric condensation when it's frozen. Geology is constantly transforming modestly through all the mockery. Planet or not, it's an oddity. Insurance is partner half size, insane big stakes, tremors and night, tumble like an ice cream. Pluto here shouldn't surprise y'all, and hopefully himself make it in surprise all.
Even if there's no light, even if there's no moon or atmosphere, so we can take our time to search around up and down till we are very only clear.
The Kuiper Bell, past Neptune isolated. Disco volatile icy bodies where discovery is awaited. Split up into classes, classical, your kidney waters, non-resident, terrific radicals, resident, orbital ratio, and Neptune relation. Neutrinos, and more sorted number combinations. Pluto's near too, sometimes passes Neptune. Now I'll say some Pluto's view. Always built on cut that crew. Work gets and bent the post, Baha, easy, and the close. Who y'all and exile,